Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate oatmeal every day? The simple, humble oatmeal has been making waves in the wellness world. Many of us have been hearing the buzz about the rising trend of incorporating oatmeal into daily diets. It's an intriguing matter, isn't it? What could be the potential benefits of this staple breakfast food? The curiosity of oatmeal is something worth exploring. So buckle up as we're about to dive into the world of oatmeal and uncover its potential benefits. Oatmeal, a humble grain, is packed with a surprising amount of nutrients. Let's delve into this deeper, shall we? At the heart of oatmeal's nutritional powerhouse is fiber. This isn't just any fiber, it's a special type called beta-glucan. This soluble fiber swells in your stomach, helping you feel full longer, aiding in weight control. But there's more. Beta-glucan also helps to lower bad LDL cholesterol, supporting heart health. Next up, we have complex carbohydrates. These aren't your run-of-the-mill carbs. These are slow-digesting carbs, providing a steady release of energy throughout your day. They help to stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those pesky sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling drained. But the nutritional treasure of oatmeal isn't complete without its rich array of minerals and vitamins. We're talking about manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, folate, and vitamins B1 and B5. These are essential for various bodily functions, from bone health to energy production to nervous system function. What's more, oatmeal contains a decent amount of protein for a grain, an essential macronutrient that aids in tissue repair and growth. And let's not forget the antioxidants, specifically avenanthromides, unique to oats, which help lower blood pressure by increasing nitric oxide production. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to fuel your workouts or just someone keen on maintaining good health, oatmeal is a grain worth considering. But the benefits of oatmeal don't stop at nutrition. There's more to this grain than meets the eye. Eating oatmeal every day can lead to some surprising health benefits. So let's dive into these advantages. First up, oatmeal is packed with dietary fiber. This fiber, particularly a type called beta-glucan, aids digestion by adding bulk to your meals. This bulk helps you feel fuller for longer, potentially aiding in weight management by reducing the tendency to snack or overeat. But the benefits don't stop there. Did you know that oatmeal can play a role in keeping your heart healthy? Oats contain a specific type of fiber known as soluble fiber. This fiber binds with the bad cholesterol in your system and helps to flush it out. The result? Lower levels of bad cholesterol, which equates to a healthier heart. Now, let's talk about energy. Oatmeal is a rich source of complex carbohydrates. These carbohydrates break down slowly in your body, providing a steady release of energy throughout the day. This means you can bid farewell to those mid-afternoon energy slumps that leave you reaching for a sugary snack. In sum, oatmeal is more than just a humble breakfast food. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that can support digestion, contribute to heart health, and provide sustained energy. The best part? It's versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, eating oatmeal every day can be a simple step towards a healthier lifestyle. So, what's the takeaway from incorporating oatmeal into your daily diet? Let's recap. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber and essential nutrients. It's a champion for digestion, helping to keep things moving smoothly. It's a friend to your heart, potentially lowering cholesterol levels. And let's not forget its role in energy management, providing a steady release of fuel to keep you going throughout the day. Remember, a bowl of oatmeal a day could keep the doctor away.